7 types of content you can create for more traffic. If you want traffic for your website, then you need to offer those visitors something in return. Website traffic does not arrive by accident or out of sheer goodwill. Rather, it will be brought to your brand because you have something to offer. And more often than not, that something to offer is content. Content can serve as a vehicle for information, entertainment, or news. Either way, this is a free way to offer something worthwhile to your visitors that will keep them coming back. But content takes many forms. In this presentation, we'll take a look at what those are and how to do them right. Blog posts. Blog posts are the format that most of us associate primarily with the word content. A blog post is typically a short article that provides some kind of information or entertainment for readers. The key to getting this right is to focus on the value you're offering and to minimize the investment that the visitor needs to put in order to gain that value. For example, if you're offering information, then a great article will be one that gets to the point quickly and that is dense with that information. Moreover, it should offer something that is genuinely new and useful, not something that can be found easily anywhere else online. Podcasts. Podcasts are an audio format that provide a convenient way for listeners to engage with your content. Moreover, they can be relatively simple to produce and provide you with access to a large audience via a pre-established distribution platform. Why not simply read out some of your most successful blog posts? Video. Video content has huge potential owing to the sheer amount of information and emotion that can be conveyed in even a short clip. Videos are inherently engaging and let you put across personality and style. They work very well on Instagram and on YouTube. Instagram images. Instagram is also a great place to share images, which can be extremely quick to create. The most successful Instagram posts will be eye-catching and unique, and will be accompanied by useful text and smart hashtags. Ebooks. Ebooks have a lot of uses for content creators. You can use these as incentives to encourage people onto your mailing list, for instance. You can sell them for profit, or you can just engage in a more deep dive manner with your audience. Slides. Slides can be a surprisingly effective way to communicate a lot of information in a simple to follow fashion. Infographics. Infographics convey information in a visual manner. They work very well both for quickly displaying stats, figures, and facts, and also for gaining links from other creators wanting to share your work. Worksheets. A worksheet is a lesser utilized form of content that can provide real value to the user by teaching them in an active manner. They're great link bait too. Checklists. Finally, a checklist can serve as another utility in content form. This has potential to be used on a regular basis too, as users return to your site to refer back to the checklist each time they need it. Think outside the box and recognize that content comes in many forms.
Hey, this is Chad Noah. Thanks again for watching this video. What I'd like to do is offer you a free opportunity to get a powerful backlink builder for your YouTube videos. All you need to do is click the link below this video and you'll get a copy of our 2 backlink builder software for 100% free, plus with YouTube SEO training that will show you in 8 different videos how to make sure that your YouTube channel videos are getting ranked high in the YouTube rankings and Google. Have yourself a great day. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.